If you're looking for a delicious, quick air fryer recipe for dinner, then you're going to keep watching this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, the other day I was making a crock pot recipe for upcoming Croctober, and it was about midnight when I went to get the chicken out of the freezer. And the next morning, my husband wanted to know why we were having pork again, because we had had it for dinner the day before. And I'm like, what are you talking about? I accidentally took pork out instead of chicken breast. So I have 3 pork chops, boneless pork chops, or pork loin, I guess that you want to call it, that I want to use up. So I didn't want to do the same old that I normally do. So I went out on the internet and I found this recipe from the Country Cook. It is pork bites, and you make it in the air fryer. And I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and make this, and it's gonna be my lunch for today, quick and easy. And it's a perfect dinner if you want to have it with corn and mashed potatoes. So I'm making it for my lunch, but I thought I'd go ahead and share it with you because it sounds absolutely delicious. So we'll find out together. So let me quickly turn the camera down and go over all the ingredients, and then we'll get started. So here's the ingredients. We're going to be using some regular margarine or butter, Montreal steak seasoning. I have some smoked paprika, some granulated garlic or garlic powder, onion powder, olive oil, light brown sugar, and I have myself, which you can't really tell, 3 pork chops, boneless pork chops that I'll be cubing up. So that is all the ingredients. All right, my friends, so that is all the ingredients we are going to use. Like I said, it's very few ingredients. It's going to be quick and easy. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, my friends, so I went ahead and cubed up my pork. You can see that's about the size of it. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and take our olive oil. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I will have this recipe linked below, so no worries. Okay, and now we're going to add in 1.5 teaspoons of Montreal steak seasoning. I love this stuff. I'll show you what it looks like in case you've never seen it. And now we're going to add in a teaspoon of light brown sugar and a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a 1/2 teaspoon of either garlic powder. I use granulated garlic all the time. I really like it. And a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. Okay, and that's all the ingredients. Now you might be saying, Kelly, where's the butter? That comes at the very end after we put this in the air fryer. We're going to melt the butter and pour it over and mix it. So all you need to do is mix this up really, really well. And friends, I mean, you see how quick and easy that was. Okay. Now let's go ahead and get our air fryer preheated, and then we'll get this cooked. All right, my friends, I had my air fryer preheating on 400 for 5 minutes, and now we're gonna go ahead and put our pork in. I just have my little olive oil sprayer here. You just wanna kinda spray the basket. Okay, then we're gonna go ahead and, can you hear that sizzling? All right, we're gonna spread it out. You don't want them on top of one another, of course. Oh, can you hear it sizzling? I don't know if you can hear it over the air fryer motor. Alrighty, we're gonna put this back in on 400 for 5 to 7 minutes. I'll keep an eye on it at the 5-minute mark. In the meantime, I have 2 tablespoons of butter I'm gonna melt in the microwave, and I'm gonna wash this out so I can pour the butter in here and then mix it up when it comes out. All right, my friends, I did go 7 minutes. I did halfway through stop it and just move them around a little bit. Look at that. Do they look good? I tell you what, it smells really good in here. So I'm going to go ahead and throw these all in my bowl real quick. This will be really good over rice, some mashed potatoes and corn, baked potato. Okay, let me just get this out of the way. Now I have already melted my butter. I'm just going to pour that over it, just like that. And then just mix it really, really well. And friends, that is all it's said to do. I always read the comment sections, and the comments about this butter being added was really good. They said the butter really made a difference, so don't skip this part from what I've read, but we'll find out. I'm gonna go ahead, plate this up, and we'll do a taste test. All right, my friends, here it is. It looks delicious, smells delicious. I added a little bit of parsley just to make it look pretty. I poured the leftover butter after I mixed it over top. So let's try it and see what we think. I'm going to taste the smoked paprika. I like that a lot. I really was a little worried that the Montreal seasoning was going to overpower it. I really thought that's what I was going to taste, but I taste the smoked paprika. That's the flavor I'm getting from this. I'm gonna see if hubby wants to try it, and I'll let you know at the bottom of the screen what his thoughts are and what flavor he's tasting, because I'm finding that when I make dishes, there's certain flavors that stand out for me and certain flavors that stand out for him, and it's usually different. So I'm kind of curious. So like I said, I'll let you know right on the bottom what he thinks. So friends, thanks so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. If you haven't already, please go ahead, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.